Hi everybody, now I'm continue. Let me open this. Okay, they have the line here for you to cut it. So let me cut through the line here and see what happens. Yes, it's heavy. And then here you go. I have to open this. Oh. Let's see. I think I go a little bit further down. You have to cut the line there. You have to cut the little down in order to get the memory card here. The card here. See, you don't have to open this. Yeah, the line there. Just cut a little down, and then you got here. Yeah, how it looks like. It's clear for you to see as well. Okay, that's what here. What inside you can look to see it. They have the thing. They have the number here, and they have a code too. I think the code for this car, I guess so. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. I will show you something. Bye bye.